Have you ever wondered if your car could talk, what would it tell you about its health? Imagine a world where your car could tell you exactly what's going wrong under the hood, just like a person describing their aches and pains to a doctor. This isn't as far-fetched as it sounds, thanks to the intrigue of AI in car diagnostics. Just as a doctor listens to a patient's symptoms to identify an underlying issue, a mechanic uses signs from a car to determine its health. But there's a new player in town that's revolutionizing this process: artificial intelligence. By harnessing the power of data and algorithms, AI is able to analyze patterns and predict problems with accuracy and efficiency that's unmatched by human capabilities. It's like having a doctor for your car, one that's always on call, never gets tired, and is constantly learning. Just like a doctor uses their knowledge and expertise to diagnose a patient, AI uses data and algorithms to diagnose your car. So what does AI in car diagnostics really mean? It's not as complex as it might sound. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like the brain of a computer, capable of learning and adapting just like we do. In the context of car diagnostics, it's all about using this brainy tech to monitor the health of your vehicle. Imagine a network of sensors spread throughout your car, constantly collecting data about everything from engine temperature to brake performance. These sensors are the AI's eyes and ears, helping it to keep a close watch on the car's condition. But it's not just about collecting data. The real magic happens when AI starts to analyze this information. Using a branch of AI known as machine learning, the system is able to identify patterns in the data, learning from past experiences to predict future outcomes. If the brake pads are wearing down faster than usual, or if the engine temperature is consistently high, AI can recognize these patterns and predict potential issues. It can even estimate when these problems might occur so you can fix them before they become serious. The benefits of AI in car diagnostics are enormous.